all, how are you all doing? Welcome to Instructo's Maths class. I'm Instructor Minu and today I'll be teaching you the ocean adventure. This is mainly for the children between the age of 3 to 5. Are you all excited to know what are we going to learn in today's chapter? Even I am excited to learn with you all. In today's chapter, we will learn how to find which number comes before and which number comes after a given number. The main reason why we are learning this is to identify the number logically in a given sequence. Okay? So, are you all ready? I'm going to teach you this concept through a story. In this story, you will understand the value of friendship as well as learn the numbers which comes before and after as well. Are you all excited to hear the story? Before starting the story, let us do a small warming activity. Are you all ready? So can you see some numbers over here? So which number is missing? Very good. It's the number one which is missing. I'm taking it over here and I'm placing it over here. But now, one number is missing after three. Which number is missing after three? Which number is missing before five? Which number is that? Let me search with my googly eyes. Yes, I found the number four, which is missing, right? Yes. Now, after six, which number comes? Can you tell me? Yes, 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 yes. Here he is hiding, and I got him, and I have picked him, and I bring him here. Yes, that's a number seven. But number seven is not happy. He has taken away one more number. Who is that? Yes, it's the number eight. Come. Wonderful job, children. You have done a wonderful job. So let's learn what comes before and what comes after. That means what comes to my right and what comes to my left. Ready? I am also ready to learn with you. So, I am going to tell you a story about this little fish. See, the fish is so excited to see you all. It's going here and there to meet you all. Hey, hi, little fish. My little ones also wants to say hi to you. Hi, hi, hi. Yeah. I'm going to tell the story to my little ones. Are you all ready for the story? Yes, the story goes like this. Once upon a time, a tiny little fish named Dora lived in a deep ocean. She used to be mesmerized by the beauty of the coral reefs, and she was curious about everything in her surroundings. She loved to explore the mystery of deep ocean and its secrets. Her mom was very protective of her and always feared that she might get lost in the vast ocean. Fearing that, she marked the coral reef and seashell with numbers that Dora can read and easily find a way home. See, you know what Dora's mama did? Mama was very scared if Dora might, miss her way. So she had written the numbers on the coral reefs and different shelves. I wanted to know if you all have been to an ocean. Have you been to an ocean? Oh, that's a wonderful thing. Very nice. Now, how many little fish can you see in this bowl? Yes, you can see a little one fish on this here. You can see little two fishes, and here three little fishes. Are the one little two little three little fishes? Are they jumping over? No, they are not jumping, right? Wonderful. Let's continue the story. It was one beautiful sunny morning. Dora went out into the ocean. She found it thrilling when she was alone. Otherwise, she always roamed with her parents and never went far away from her home. While swimming, suddenly she found little turtle sitting alone on a rock and crying. Hello, who are you? Is everything all right? Dora asked curiously. I am Turtle and I have lost my way, said the turtle. I am Dora. Where do you live? I can be your friend and help you, said Dora. That is so nice of you, my friend, Turtle said with a smile full of gratitude. I live near the coral garden. Toti continued. What would you have done if you have found a stranger in the situation like 30? I'm not asking if you find a stranger. I'm asking you if you find your friend crying, will you go and ask them, are you okay? Can I help you? Yes, very good. We should do that always when our friends are in need. Should go and talk to them, console them, make them happy, right? Can you tell me that? Which comes before 4? Which number comes before 4? Yes, 1, little 2, little 3, little and comes the number 4. So before 4 who comes? Yes, the number 3. Very good. Next one. Both of them started swimming. As they were swaying through the seaweeds, Dora thought about how she would return as she didn't know the area well. At once, her mom idea played in her mind, and she thought of writing numbers on the reef and seashells on her way. Can you help me write numbers on these rocks and seashells, 30? Dora asked. But why do you want to write them, Dora? 30 asked. If I mark these with numbers, I will not lose my way, Dora explained. That's a great idea, 30 said. But I don't know numbers very well as I'm still learning them, 30 continued. Don't worry, I'll teach you, Dora said confidently. So, will you also teach your friends? Very good. We should always help our friends. Okay, what would you have done if you lost your way home? Yes, I know all of your mama might have taught their phone numbers to you. They might have told you a secret code or something, right? So whenever you lose the way, you should go to the nearest help center and ask them for help. Okay? So don't cry and don't get panicked. Okay? Now, can you choose the number that comes after 4? After 4 comes the number only and only one number, which is 5, the magical 5. Very good. Dora started making. Dora started marking the seashells with numbers. She wrote 1 on them. Can you tell me what comes after 1? Dora asked. It is 2, answered the turtle. Well done, Dora continued. Here comes 3 and 4. Can you tell me what comes before 4? Asked Dora. I know. It is 3, said Turtle excitedly. Next, Dora wrote 5, 6, and 7 and asked, now what comes after 7:30? With a disappointed face, 30 said, I don't know. Don't worry, it's 8. And after 8 comes 9 and 10, said Dora. That means Dora helped 30 with the numbers. Did you ever teach anybody? And what did you teach them? Can you tell me? Very good that you teach your brothers and sisters, you teach your friends. Very nice. While where you are teaching others, you will also learn. You know that? Yes. Look, Toti, there is the squirrel garden, and you have reached home, said Dora with a smile. Dora was also happy by seeing this beautiful coral garden. Thank you, Dora, for helping me to reach home and teaching me numbers. I can now say all the numbers confidently. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 9. And here comes the number 10. Continued the turtle excitedly. That's awesome, turtle. Friends can always teach each other and share their knowledge, said Dora. Dora felt happy thinking that she did a good job and returned home bidding farewell to her friend 30. See? See, both of them were very, very happy. See, Dora and 30. And look at how beautiful her coral garden is right now. Yes. Can you see why Dora thinks that she did a good job? She did a good job because she helped her find a way and also she taught her a number. So that is how the friendship is. Now, this is called as a number line. On the number line, the number lies to the left and the number lies to the right of a given number. So here the given number is number 5. So you can see few numbers lying to the left and few numbers lying to the right. Hence the given number is 5. The number that comes before 5, the number that comes before 5 lies towards the left. That means the number which lies before 5 lies towards the left, which is the number 4. And the number that comes after 5 l- lies towards the right, which is the number 6. Wonderful, wonderful. Very good. Now, look at this number line and identify which number comes before 2 and choose the correct answer. Which number comes before 2, not after, before 2. Yes, very good. It's the number 1. Very good. Awesome. Now, look at this number line and identify which number comes after 6. After 6. Yes, it is lying towards the right, and that is number 7. Well done, my little ones. Now it is your time. Write the number that comes before the given number. Which number comes before 3? Before 3 it is? Yes, before 3 it is 2. Yes, then which number comes after 7? Yes, the 6. No, no, no. What, you didn't read the question properly? Write the number that comes after the given number. So is it 6? No, no, no. After 7 it is 8. Yes, you are right now. Wonderful. Very good. So before 10, can you tell me which number comes before 10? Before 10 is our one and only bossy 9. Wonderful. Very good. Which number comes after 3? Remember which number comes after 3. So after number comes the number 4. Yes, very good. Now, can you see a ice cream truck here? Yummy, yummy ice creams are there. Okay, now we need to drag and place the correct numbers in the given spaces. That means which number comes before 2? Yes, because if we don't name them, somebody will eat our ice creams. And you are correct. Well done. Before 2, it's 1. Wonderful. Now, after 6, which number come in the ice cream truck? Hey, number 7 ice cream truck. Why did you lose your number? Very good. Well done, dear. Well done. Now, which number comes before the ice cream truck 10? Yes, it is the number 9. Well done, dear. Well done. Well done. Good job. Now, write the number that comes before and after the given number. So 2 is standing like a post, and which number comes before and which number comes after 2? Which are those numbers? Let's count. It's number 1, 2, 1, 2, and comes the number 3. Wonderful. Very, very good. Good job. So which number comes before and after 7? After 5, you have 6, then yes, 6, then 7, and then 8. Wonderful. Yes, well done. Can you tell me which number comes before 9? Yes, 8. And after 9 comes 10. Very good, very good. Awesome. So now, can you see a fruit tree can hold the number of mangoes that comes before 7? Okay, this tray can hold mangoes which is just below 7. Okay, how many mangoes can we put in the tray? Can we try? One, one, Two, three, four, five. Can I put the sixth one also? Yes. 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 Six. That means the number before seven is six. Wonderful. Color the number of flowers that comes after four. After four. Okay. One, two, three, four, five. Is it so? Yes. Well done. Well done. And thank you, dear, for attending my course. Have a nice day. See you all in the next class. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.